Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to calibrate the Zebra ZD421 label printer in 2026. So first of all, before calibrating, you need to make sure that your labels are loaded properly. So the labels are going to be rolled something like this. So simply close the printer cover completely and then verify that the label guides are basically touching the edges of the media without squeezing it. Now Zebra recommends checking media loading before running the calibration. So once this particular step is done, you just have to simply power the printer off using the power switch. Now we are going to enter the ZD421's built-in calibration mode directly from the startup. Now on top of the printer, you just have to simply take a look at the feed button, which is this particular button over here. Now for reference, you can just take a look at that. This is the feed button. So you need to simply press and hold the feed button. While continuing holding the button, you just have to turn the printer on. Now keep holding it until the status LED flashes twice and then release the feed button. So this is going to enter the printer's small calibration process. Now the printer will begin feeding several labels by itself. Do not touch anything during this process. The ZD421 is measuring the label length and detecting the gaps and black marks between the labels. So this allows it to learn the exact media dimensions. After feeding a few labels, the printer will stop automatically, and once it stops, the calibration is completed and the new media settings are now stored in the memory. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.